Welcome to Simple Kitchen Recipes. Today we are making Palak Aloo, spinach and potato, and the ingredients we are going to need today is 1 chopped onion, half cup roughly is oil, vegetable oil or olive oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 medium sized tomato chopped and 2 chilies. And then we add some masalas, and it will be 2 pinches of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili, half tablespoon of garam masala, 2 cinnamon sticks. Then we need some zira, which is 1 teaspoon, some black seeds and some black pepper. Then we need salt, roughly approximately, basically to the taste, and then parsley, pinch of parsley. And then for garnishing we need red chili 1, and then we need coriander chopped. Thank you. First we add oil, and we will let it, I think it's a bit hot now, so I'll add some onion, and then we will fry the onion until they are a little bit golden. So now you can see it's a little bit gold. I will add ginger and garlic paste. Fry it for 2-3 minutes quickly until ginger and garlic is I'll take red chilies, turmeric powder, garam masala, on. So I've just added tomato and green chili, and then I will let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes, and I put the lid on and leave it for 4 minutes. Check it again. It's almost 4 minutes, and now I'll check, and you can see it's almost ready. Now I add potatoes and mix it together. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to cook completely. So I will add a little bit of water, put the lid on, keep my heat low, and then leave it for 10 minutes. So I'm checking it after 5 minutes, and you can see it's cooking properly now. Got some water, and it takes another 5 minutes and hopefully it will be fully cooked. It's almost 5 to 6 minutes. Now check it. Now you can see oil is coming out of the spinach. Potatoes are also tender. I'll show you. Look. Ready to serve. So I'll switch off the heat and dish out. Hot potato spinach curry. I will garnish it with the coriander and then some red chopped chilies.